In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix touchscreen not working on an Android. So what we're going to do is try performing a full restart, and we can do this without the use of the screen. So what you need to do is come onto the side of your phone, and what you need to do is find the volume down button and the power button. Press and hold these together like so. Now depending if your screen is frozen or not, it may go and change. If it doesn't though, it doesn't matter. Keep this held down. Shortly after you press restart, your screen may go black, but don't worry. Keep them held down and shortly you'll go and see the logo go and appear of your phone as you can see, and at that point you can go and release. Now it's now starting again. When it starts, you go and unlock it, and it should then be working again and the touchscreen be functional. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.